What?
Film. You get this puppy going. Turn the lights on. Plug in. Lights didn't come on. Oh, I didn't plug it in. Plug it in. No, not working at all.
The one's flashing really lightly on this side.
I think the battery's almost dead. I think that's the problem.
Yeah.
Alright, doesn't matter about the lights. I gotta go retrieve my other boat to see how my retriever works. Worked good the other day. Didn't have to retrieve it, we're just practicing. This is an actual retrieval. Okay. Gotta set the steering on that.
It looks like a little tugboat.
Tell you what it is.
That's so cool.
Get the kayak and go and get them.
It's just going in circles.
Alright. Gotta retrieve the retrievals. How's that?